So after 7 days, here is what they don't tell you about these earbuds. Yes, they did impress me at first, but definitely some things have changed. Now, my first impressions, I said these were surprisingly good for the price, and that is still true. But I've had some time, I've lived with them for a bit, and here's what the real story is. Now let's start with the app, because this is one of the biggest advantages here. You've got EQ controls that you can customize, and you've got touch controls that can switch between active noise cancelling modes. At this price, having this level of control is not something you get for earbuds this price range. Now let's talk about sound properly, because this is definitely more of a fun sound than an accurate one. You've got a strong low end, the bass is there and very noticeable. The vocals are clear enough, but they're not the most detailed, and the highs are decent, but nothing super sharp or refined. So overall, it sounds good, not amazing, but definitely enjoyable. So if you just want something that sounds good for everyday use, you'd like this one. But if you're picky about audio, like me, you're definitely going to notice the limitations pretty quickly. And now the ANC. After actually using it in real life situations, I can say this. It works, but let's get something clear. It is not premium. It handles low consistent hum like a fan or traffic pretty well, but sudden noises and voices still come through. So it takes the edge off, but it does not fully isolate you. But at this price range, it is impressive. Alright, now the mic. In quiet environments, it is fine. You'll be heard clear enough. But once the background noise kicks in, it'll struggle. So yeah, this is not what you would buy if calls are a priority for you, if you want to have your online conversations and what. This is not it. Now this is where things start to stand out for me. Remember the fit I talked about? It was good. It was perfect. It stayed on, it was secure. It did not fall off for me. I did not find myself adjusting it every time. It's very lightweight. So yeah, it was good. But it might be different for others. For other people, just might be different. But for me, perfect. Now let's talk about the battery. The battery life is another area where you feel the price. With the active noise cancelling on, you only get 5 hours. It's not terrible and it's not great either. It's something you would use for short sessions, but it's not something you can rely on for all day use. No. So after using this for a whole week, what actually changed? The sound is still good. The active noise cancelling is still impressive at this price range. The fit is still good, but the battery is beginning to feel a little bit limiting. But honestly, that's what I expected from this price range. So here's what I like. You get real active noise cancelling, the sound is genuinely enjoyable, and the app support is a big win for this price range. So here's what I don't like. The battery, okay. The mic, average. And overall, did not give me that premium experience. So here's the truth. These are solid, but they are not for everyone. Now, if you want earbuds that does a bit of everything, these are a great choice. But if you're more picky and you're more specific about your sound quality and your battery life, you might want to try other options. Now that brings up a question. Should you actually get these, or is there something out there better for your money? Because that's where things get interesting. Now hold on, you think you know, but I'll break it down for you in our next video. Don't miss it. Subscribe to the channel if you've not done that yet. Hit the like button on your way out. If you like these videos, join our membership. And until next time, take care.